your last day here before you go to Japan, baby.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
Good. I wish I would have packed sooner though. But I feel good.
A little nervous.
A little nervous, but mostly just because of how long it's gonna be. Away from you and my dog and my cat. Right now I'm headed to go get a haircut. One of my sponsors, Elliot & Co. and Big Garrison, kind of works at two spots, but he's the man here. Get me all cleaned up properly so I can start the trip right, because this is unacceptable.
And he's just awesome.
Yeah, he's a good friend, honestly, too.
Whatever, if you wanna go, I'm down. Darling, we'll make the biggest thing.
What's up, bro? ¿Cómo estás? Good, my boy. Ooh, all cleaned up. You like it, babe?
I love it. Elliot always does a great job.
I feel better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No more helmet head.
Yes.
You sad your boy's leaving?
Absolutely. My heart is breaking as we speak. It's going to take me at least 3 to 4 hours to replace him. And that's a lot of time for me. It's a lot of time for me to put in.
Yeah, you don't have that kind of
So
time.
I've got a few new candidates for new Vinny.
Oh, really? I'll get you a Vince mask.
Yeah, I'm even going to call him new Vinny. So
Nobody could replace his shoes.
So there's a couple guys that they have a little bit better darts than him. So those are guys I'm looking
Shots fired.
Those are guys that I'm heavily looking at right now. And just guys with better attitudes all the way around. Okay? It's not so gloomy and just all the time, you know? Coming in, hey Vinny, I'm like, hey Vinny, how you doing? Oh, fine. Like, who wants to see that shit all the time? I want motivated, happy people around. Okay?
Yeah. Just like you.
What are you talking about?
Of course.
Alright, then it's step in here, shoot, go. Yeah, okay. Okay, got it. Don't leave. Just trying to make it lead. So right over here, jab. Sitting back. Here, shoot. Okay. 1, 2 more. Jab. 1, 2 more. Get out of here.
3 smalls, and then I went a half a dozen of all the other ones. What do you think?
That
Sweet.
is dope.
Sweet.
Yeah, super dope.
It's turned out good.
VINBEDDED.com, baby.
Love it.